Hi Maurella, my name is Miritt and I'm a new member here in EAHIL. Are you the president of EAHIL?
Yes, Miritt. I am Maurella Della Seta. I am the president of EAHIL and I'm very glad to meet you. Welcome to the network of European and Information Professional libraries.
Thank you. Can I ask you some questions about how EAHIL is organized?
Of course, the board takes care of the administration and management of the EAHIL, and it consists of the president, the past president, the vice president, and the treasurer, the honorary secretary, and 2 other board members and 2 co-opted members.
Okay, thank you. And I also heard something about the council. What is that?
Oh, the council are the representatives of the respective countries, and they act as an advisory group for the board, and they act as a link with the members which are resident in the various European countries. And council members have an important role in publicizing EAHIL activities and recruiting new members.
Okay, I see. And I also heard something about the General Assembly. What is that?
Oh, yes, the General Assembly will be held on Thursday, and the General Assembly is very important because it's the most important body of EAHIL, and it sees the participation of all members, and it takes place every year at the EAHIL events, at the conference or the workshop. So please participate on Thursday.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much, Maurella.
You are so welcome. It was a pleasure to meet you.
You too. And it was very informative. So thank you.
Thank you.